Good morning, students. I Swati Pandey, faculty in EX department, SIIT Bhopal. Today, my topic is unit number 5th, basic electrical and electronics engineering. As all of you know, that today we are starting our 5th unit. So I want to discuss the one topic of basic electrical and electronics engineering unit 5th with you. So let us start. Firstly, I want to give the introduction about this unit. This unit name is digital electronics, in which you will have to study the following things, such as number system used in the digital electronics, like decimal, binary, octal, hexadecimal, and their components of operation and conversion, floating point, and signed numbers. This is the part of the number system. And second topic in this unit is De Morgan's theorem. And next topic is logic gates. And last topic is half adder and full adder, flip-flop, JK flip-flop, RS flip-flop, etc. In the logic gates, you will have to study the AND gate, OR gate, NOR gate, NAND gate, and so on. Okay. So after this, you will have to study the some other points like introduction of semiconductors, diode, VI characteristic, bipolar junction transistor and their working, introduction to CC, CB and CE transistor configuration, different configuration and modes of the operation of BJT. This is the part of unit 5th. In whole 5th unit, you will have to study all these topics. Okay. So next is start with the number system. This is our first topic of this unit is number system. So according to this, you will have to study the 4 types of number system, in which first one is your decimal number system. Second one is your binary number system. Third one is your octal number system. Fourth one is your hexadecimal number system. So for understanding these number system, I want to explain the very simple and the easy method to understand this the number system. Firstly, I want to explain you the digital number system, decimal number system, sorry. Decimal number system may total 10 numbers of combinations you have. This will start from 0 to 9. Consider the simple number 1457.8 and you can write this as follows. Okay. And next is your binary number system. The binary number system has a base or radix of 2, that is only the 2 digits, namely 0 and 1. Okay, this is the simple information about the binary and the decimal number system. By this table, I want to explain you the something of binary and decimal number system. Here you are showing the table on the screen, that is zero in left side you are showing this is your 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 accordingly 10 तक यहाँ पर है. In decimal number system, when the no number is here, then no number is represented by the 0, and if the number is 1, then represented by 1, and so on 2, so on 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and after 9 you have not any number. So this is according to this you will have to write this 0 से एक लेस देन हम अगर करेंगे 9 से एक लेस देन अगर हम मिनिमम नंबर पे जाएंगे 9 का मिनिमम नंबर है 0, और 1 से एक बढ़कर हम लेंगे तो 1 का एक बढ़ के नंबर है 0 का एक एक्सटेंडेड नंबर है 1. So you can write in decimal number system 10 is equal to 1 0. In accordingly binary number system, if no number is there, then written by 0, and 1 is represented by 1, and 2 is represented as follows. 1 का less than 1 से minimum 0, और अगर यहाँ पे 0 है, हमने assume किया कि यहाँ पर एक नंबर हमारा 0 है, तो 0 से बढ़ के यहाँ पर हमें मिला 1. Accordingly, next 3 के लिए 0 से greater than 1 and 1 से 11. Okay, so you can write the in binary number system, for no number you will have to write 0, 1 के लिए 1 लेंगे, 2 के लिए 1 0 लेंगे, 3 के लिए 1 1 लेंगे, 4 के लिए 100 लेंगे, 5 के लिए 1 0 1 लेंगे, 6 के लिए 1 1 0, 7 के लिए 1 1 1, 8 के लिए 1 0 0, 9 के लिए 1 0 0 1 and 10 के लिए 1 0 1 0. So this is the table represented the binary number system. In octal number system, 0 represents 0, 1 represents 1, 2 represents 2, 3 represents 3, 4 represents 4, and 5 represents 5, 6 represents 6, 7, and after 8, because you are writing the octal number system, so this will goes from 0 to 7. Okay, after 8 the table will repeat. So in 8 7 का मिनिमम नंबर है 0, और यहाँ पर अगर 0 हमने एज्यूम किया तो इसका मैक्सिमम नंबर है 1. ओके, अकॉर्डिंगली यहाँ पर भी आप लिखेंगे कि 0 के बाद हमें मिला 1, एंड देन 1 का यहाँ पर 1 ही आ जाएगा, ऐसे ही 12. तो ये पूरा आपका ऑक्टल नंबर सिस्टम मिल गया आपको. फिर हेक्साडेसिमल नंबर सिस्टम को भी आप इस फॉर्म आपको दिया गया है, इसके थ्रू आप रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं. तो आज के लेक्चर में मैं जो आपको बताना चाहती थी, दिस इज द सिंपल इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट द नंबर सिस्टम, दिस टाइप ऑफ नंबर्स यू विल हैव टू यूज. In next class I will discuss you with the decimal number system. So thank you so much.